Here I've got ID2ME ID1, and let me show you how to add a lock screen on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Scroll down and open security, which is under personal, and now go to screen lock. Click on it. It's time to select the screen lock that you would like to have, so it can be voice unlock, pattern, PIN or the password. Of course you can have none of them or just swipe in, but let me pick for example PIN code. And now you have to type the PIN code that you would like to have, so it can be 1379. You just have to remember that your PIN code must have at least 4 characters. Then tap on next once you provide it, and then confirm it. So just enter it one more time for the confirmation. Finally decide if you would like to see all notification content once your device is locked, or if you would like to hide sensitive info, or maybe you won't see notification at all. Let me pick the last option. And once it's set up, click on done. And as you can see, from now on, this lock screen is protecting your device. So let me show you. No one will be able to unlock it without this PIN code. And then tap on OK. So that's it. You can obviously remove it by going to the settings one more time. Pick security. Then screen lock. You will have to enter the one that you currently have, so it was 13479. Tap on next or continue, and now you can select swipe or none of them. Let me pick swipe. Tap on OK that I would like to remove it, and as you can see from now on, nothing is protecting your device, so it can be easily unlocked just by swiping. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.